Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today I'm going to give you the top 3 reasons why I don't use my Sennheiser true wireless earbuds. Let's get right to it. Let's check it out. So if you're considering picking up the Momentum True Wireless earbuds from Sennheiser, let me share with you 3 reasons why I don't carry these in my bag anymore, and that's after spending $300. Let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Reason 1, Bluetooth connectivity. So the Bluetooth connectivity on the Momentum True Wireless earbuds is spotty. The pairing feature, it loses pairing continually, and I find myself having to reset, to do a factory reset in order to get these to work. I've contacted the folks at Sennheiser, haven't really gotten much out of that experience, so it's kind of disappointing that every single time, or let's say at least once a week, I have to repair them by doing a master reset and reconnecting them to my phone. So that's the number 1 reason why I don't use them. It's because I have to always repair. Reason 2 why I don't use the Sennheiser true wireless earbuds. Battery discharge. The case. So I'll put this in my bag. I do a lot of travel, so I'm on trains, planes, I do some long commuting. And what I find is that the discharge rate on this is very fast, meaning that when I go to use the earbuds, the battery is dead. So the discharge rate is higher than what I found with other earbuds, and that is you put them in the case, you expect them to keep the charge, but they actually start trickle charging down until there comes a point where they don't work anymore. So when I go in, if I'm looking at 2 to 3 days in, I'll take them out of the case, put them in my ear, and guess what? They don't work. That's reason number 2. Reason number 3, uneven headphone discharge. So the earbuds themselves, when you're wearing them, they indicate that you have 100% battery charge on each battery or each earbud. After a couple seconds, I start noticing that one earbud starts to drop really fast. And I've had more times than none, one earbud completely die and the other one still have sufficient battery for at least another hour. So that uneven discharge is another reason why I don't keep these in my bag. Now, I know I've been talking about all the reasons why I don't carry them, but let me give you the one reason why you may want to carry it. And it's because they sound so good. So no one can take away from Sennheiser that they have fantastic audio. The quality, superb. It's warm. You feel music separation, the bass, the treble, mids and highs. Everything is all there. But I wish they fixed the Bluetooth issues, battery discharge issues, and pairing. What can I say? So guys, those were the reasons why, the 3 reasons why I don't carry my Sennheiser true wireless earbuds, and the only reason why you would want to carry them. So let me know what you thought in the comment area below. Do you have the similar experiences I do? I've seen some of you said that it's solid. Others have mentioned the same thing, and I think they've gone through 3 or 4 of these already by returning them and replacing them. But I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comment area below.